I'm Darren Cavanoki, founding attorney of the Cavanoki Law Firm. Did you know that there are more than 50 ways that alcohol testing in DUI cases can be wrong? In this video, I'll explain some of the basics and the testing procedures and show you just some of the ways that a breath test may be off. There are three main areas that present issues in the testing process. Number one, problems with the machine. Number two, problems with outside influences. And number three, problems with the people who are being tested. When it comes to DUI cases, people cling to this mistaken idea that if a machine spits out a number, that it has to be right. However, just like a broken speedometer or a bathroom scale that doesn't reset completely to zero, the results that are produced by a machine can be inaccurate if that machine is broken. We also see problems with operator error. One example of this would be when the officer who's attempting to use an alcohol testing machine hasn't been properly trained or isn't administering the test in accordance with their training, not following the correct procedure. A common example of this is the officer not changing the mouthpiece between tests. If the officer cuts corners or skips anything, the results are not reliable. We also see problems with an outside source, like radio frequency interference. Have you ever been working on your computer and heard that buzzing when your cell phone rings? That's radio frequency interference, where radio waves from one device interfere with the operation of another. In today's modern, over-connected world, the officer running the breath testing machine has lots of other electronic equipment, including other items that share plugs, their department-issued walkie-talkies, and their own personal cell phones, and all of those things can interfere with the correct operation of a breath testing machine. Another example of an outside source can be chemicals that the machine thinks are alcohol molecules, but really aren't. This can be caused from a recently painted room at the police station, certain cleaning solutions, or even something called Tyndall effect. This is where someone's car airbags are deployed and they inhale that particulate matter that's used to pack them. And then they exhale that into the machine where it's being misread by the machine as being alcohol. Problems also may arise when the subject being tested is not a suitable candidate for breath testing. This can be caused by physical conditions like persistent heartburn, a hiatal hernia, or emphysema. Also, significant dental work can trap things in the mouth like food and alcohol molecules, or even unintentional alcohol can be present from cold medicines, lip balms, or mouthwash. Another reason that the breath testing machine may be off can be elevated body temperature, whether it's from a fever or dancing or exercising or just being in the hot sun. Another common scenario that skews results is someone who is crying just before taking a breath test, since mucus can be very alcohol rich, and that too can be misread by the machine. Even something as simple as a burp or belch prior to the breath testing can throw off the results. Our team knows how to apply a rigorous, science-based approach to get to the best results for anyone facing a DUI charge. If you've been arrested for DUI, we know you're going through a tough time. On behalf of everyone here at the Cavanoki Law Firm, we hope this helps.